Monday to you. I'm at it again. This has been a full day. And yeah, I had an interview because I'm hiring again for my executive assistant. But the person that I wanted was offered another job today before her interview with me. So, but I just had a feeling that she was going to be the one. But God will supply all of your needs, and I need an EA. Okay? Peekaboo. Okay? Anyway, I'm going to go into my garden because, yeah, we need to find out what's going on. I haven't been out there since I dropped those seeds, and we're going to find out if anything's happening. Because when I tell you I dropped seeds, that's all I did. I was like, I'm not going to be spending time and energy trying to measure this, that, the other. I'm not going to start anything on the inside. Honey, when I say drop, bloop, and let's see what happens. Okay? Need a little cleanup going on. Look, that's one of my grow bags, so I'm going to fix that. This needs to be cut back, but that's not mine. That's Sunday's, but I'm going to do it anyway. And over here is actually my garlic, so you know I'm not gonna mess with it. But when the freeze happened, there wasn't even this. But I see I have carrots right here, so I wonder, what do I do? Because there's nothing green. So let's see what's going on. Well, daggone. We just gonna leave it alone. We just gonna leave it alone. I forget what I had right here. I think that was the moringa. So anyway, let's go. Another grow bag, but I just put some dead leaves in there. Here's one of the Brussels sprouts. You know, I cut them back after that freeze happened. Look, take that off and put that in this bag. But look at that. You see that? Look at that. I mean, I took a chance because I was thinking if I cut those leaves, they're not going to grow back, but they did. There is absolutely nothing happening where I put those seeds. Okay, let's go to the other side. Here's where I cut back the other Brussels sprouts. Let's see what's going on. Oh, wow. We have something going on over here. Look at this. Got a little something going on. Look at that. We have something. Look at this, y'all. Like, literally. I cut them back, you know what I'm saying? Because, ooh, that's like rotten. Oh, well, we'll see, honey. We will see. Got something going on over there. Remember, this stuff was completely dead. Look, we got something going on. I don't know, but hey, now we have life over here while I dropped all of these seeds. We have life. Look at this. Look at this. Life. I think this was the black turmeric. I forgot to take that. Look. Yeah, there you go, right there. I wonder, should I put that back in there? I don't know. Because I got life going all around there. And this is where I took it up at. You see this? Yeah, so I might just go ahead and take it inside and experiment. Yes, honey. Now let's go over here and see if we have any growth. Here's my peach tree. As you see, there's nothing going on. Back here is where I had my beets. I'm just going to leave everything alone. But I have growth from where I dropped seeds. Look, growth. Tell you the truth, I don't remember what I put in the ground, but let's just say something is growing. I think this was actually the black turmeric. I'm just thinking, should I put it back in the soil? look at this. Look at this. It just looks like something else can grow. I don't know. I might get some soil. This smells good. I might get some soil. Hey, get some soil and put it in a pot in the house. How about that? Let's do that. Okay. So I just got some soil from outside. I'll take some of it out and I'm just gonna put this in here. Uh-oh, I think I broke some. Oh, that's why it's called black turmeric. Okay. Well, guess what? That's some roots, and here's some roots. Then we're just gonna put this back on, and then we're just gonna see what happens. Hey, I'm just gonna make it do what it do. And it's gonna be here inside the house, nice and warm. We'll see what happens. In the meantime, let's cut this open. See what we're working with. It's very potent. Yeah, it's very potent. All right, let's try this. Very interesting. I've never had any other color turmeric except for yellow, so I wonder if I can put this in some water and make tea out of it. I probably will. Black turmeric. This seems like it's broad. This right here looks like a root, so we're gonna just put that in there. Peekaboo! Hey, we might put this in here too. We are not playing. Now let's get this one. I see why it is called black turmeric, even though this is like a light blue. So I wonder if this has been harvested prematurely. But what happened was my when the frost happened, the leaves were completely dead. So, you know, it's my first time having it, so I didn't know whether or not once the leaves stop, does that mean growth stops? And maybe not, because it is a root organism, but I feel, I'm not an expert at this. You know, y'all are joining me on my gardening journey, but it would seem as though the root vegetables will get their energy from the leaves, which gets its energy from the sun, while, you know, the photosynthesis is happening, the chlorophyll from the green leaves. So anyway, let me rinse them off. Hey, there it is. I'm getting ready to assemble what is called a bread lame. L-A-M-E, wooden bread lane. And this is so that I can score, which is to put slices in my bread. Now, you have to be careful These are razors. So it says to take that out, you need to hold this like this. Put this on one side. Stick the top of the lamp into the first slot. Opening of the blade. Then use your thumb It says, use your thumb and index finger to bend the razor as you push the lane tip deeper into the hole. Then continue pushing the lane needle to finally it reaches through to the other slot. So I have it here. And I'm going to keep pushing it until it reaches this other slot. I wonder if this is correct. Let's see. Use your thumb and index finger to flatten out the blade. Check the positioning blade of the lamb to ensure good hold. Completion of bread lamb salad should look like this. Okay, so well, I thought it was going to be more of a curve. And I wonder, is this hook thing on this side? It's hard to see. See a little bitty picture? But anyway, I will check on the internet to make sure that this is okay. And well, there you have it. Okay, so I have my bread that has been in the refrigerator overnight in this Banneton or bread proofing basket, and I'm about to take it out. Okay. And I'm putting it on parchment paper because that's going to go straight into my Dutch oven. I called it a lame, but it's called a lamb. I'm going to score my bread, and this needs to be deep, about 1/4 an inch to 1/4 an inch to 1/2 an inch. And that right there would be called a lip. This is my first time doing this, so we'll see how this turns out. I'm just gonna try to get a little creative over here on the side. And when you score, it allows the bread an opportunity to have somewhere for the heat to escape to. So that's the deal with that. So hold on so I can get the Dutch oven. Okay, so I just lifted the bread and I placed it in the Dutch oven, and so here you have it. And now I will get the lid. And now I'm getting ready to place it in the oven. and it's going to cook for 22 minutes, and then I'm going to take the lid off, and then it's going to cook for another 22 minutes. Now it's back in the oven, so yes! So here it is. Next time up, I'm gonna make sure that my rack is lower so that I won't have this. But it looks good. The bread is so good. I did want to discuss these holes inside of the sourdough. These are called crumbs. See those? Crumbs. They are wonderful, especially when putting butter and jelly and stuff to be able to hold all that deliciousness. But this turned out wonderful. I am very pleased. Thank you, Davina, for your tutelage and spending your Saturday teaching me how to make sourdough bread.
I know, but that's not, I know there's plenty of women who are out there like, well, okay, well, I need you to have this and I need you to have that and I need you to have this, and this. I think it goes both ways. I think I prefer to get to know people by way of conversation, by way of spending time with them. I don't need to sit here and look at a whole list of questions and start rattling them off because, like you said to me yesterday or the day before in conversation, the trash takes itself out. So I don't need to I don't need to rattle off these conversations because as I'm getting to know you, I'm praying about you. Hopefully you're praying about me. I'm praying that God shows me whatever it is that I need to see, good or bad, right? I don't want to miss anything great either, right? So I'm also having these prayers because I want God to show me everything great about you. I don't want to overlook something because you're 5'8" and not 6'8", right? And so I do the same thing too because I don't want to marry someone that I want to marry. I want to marry the right person that God has for me because then I know it's going to be good. If it's somebody that I want,
I wanted to share something with you. I have a new keychain because I do have another keychain which keeps falling off of my keys, and I'm starting to get a little worried that one day it's going to fall and they're going to detach and something's going to happen to my keys, and my key is very expensive to replace. So, but I saw this on the internet. Look at this. Taking it old school. Look at that. How many remember what this is? And yeah, let me share it with you, what's on the inside. Yeah, you see the pictures? Some of my favorite moments. It's still going. And there you have it. Look at all of these memories. And I thought that that was so nice. So, to make them come back up, oops, I think I'm doing it the wrong way. Look at that. Peekaboo. So, here's my new keychain. I'm so excited, and I just can't hide it. No, 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 no. I'm about to lose control, and I think I like it. Oh, yeah. So, anyway, happy Tuesday to you. Peekaboo. Child, I gotta get my fingernails done. Look, this one, and that, yeah. And we'll see how I can fit in maybe this evening, because I can't do it Wednesday evening. I have out-of-town guests coming on Friday, so I won't be able to do it then. So yeah, tonight or Thursday night is gonna have to be the day, okay? All right, talk to you later. Bye-bye. Happy Thursday to you. I'm excited about a delivery that I got today. Yes, look what I have. Yeah, I'm gonna be using this for my bread. Yes, I will. Peekaboo. Yes. I am so excited. I have been following Half Baked Harvest on Instagram for maybe like 2 years or so. So I was at Marshall's today picking up a couple of things and I saw this, so I got it, and I am just so excited about the recipes that are in here. So, you know, I wanted to show some support. And yeah, I mean, y'all better get ready. That's all I can say. Get ready, honey. Get ready. Woo! Look at this. Mm-hmm. Yep. So it's on and popping. Happy Friday to y'all. I am getting ready for my weekend guest. And yes, I am. I'm so excited that she's coming. This year marks 30 years of friendship. Yes, so excited. She's coming down here to celebrate my birthday with me, but I'm going to celebrate her. Happy Saturday.